Today I'm going to show you how to change a chain on a Cuckoo clock. If your Cuckoo clock is working just fine, without tearing it apart. You just want to change the chain because either you don't like the color or it has a twist in it, like this one does. Let me show you. Now you notice when I wind this up, watch that weight spin around. That usually means someone was pulling on that weight to get the clock to work before, and this clock has been cleaned, but I haven't changed the chain in it, and I don't like it, so I'm going to change the chain and show you how I do it. So it'll be very simple, you don't even have to take it off the wall. So let's get at her. Okay, you can buy these chains. First off, this is a one-day clock, and you can order the chains, and they usually come in a package, and they will tell you count so many links per inch, and that usually tells you what size chain you need. Otherwise, most of them are just a normal one-day clock chain. So here we've got the brand new chain. It's all nice and shiny and gold colored. The hooks and the rings are not attached, and that's good because you don't want them attached anyway. And what we're going to do is take the one that has the weight hooked up to it. You have the hook here. Let's go ahead and take this apart. Okay, I've taken the hook off. Set that aside. And on your new chain, go ahead and open it up. Once you get it opened up, hook it to where this hook was. Close it back up. So it's all one piece again. And now, let's just wind it up. See the old chain and the new chain. It's going to go straight up through the clock. And here it is. Now all you have to do is get your pliers and go ahead and open this up again. Now on this end that we just pulled through, we're going to stick the round piece in. And this one's no good as far as we're concerned. We're going to stick the round ring on, because that's what's supposed to be on this end. And I already dropped one of my pieces of chain, so in case you do, just open this thing up, hook the ring on, and put it back together again. Make sure it looks good. There we go. Wind it up. On this other end, you'll go ahead and stick the hook part on. Let me take it out of my dish. Here's my new hook that goes on there. Take it. Open up your chain again on that end. Put the hook back on there. Okay, we have that on there. Now let's grab the weight. Hook it back on. Look at that. Now how easy was that? Once this comes down, the time one, where you can get to the hook easily, go ahead and change it so you have two brand new chains.